Today, we're having a little redneck backyard airsoft board. Dustin, Otto, and his little brother Tyler. I'm using my Stinger R39. He's using his M4. And he's using the Stinger P30T pistol and M1911. So this is what's going to happen. We're all spring clothes, so we're all fair even. That's our backyard airsoft board. There, guys.